Mommy's makeup.
No! You can't ever put anything on your face. Anything that touches your face becomes permanent. Now that blush will be on you forever.
What? Mom really wasn't lying. It's never gonna come off.
Hey, Brianna, you got some lipstick on your cheek. Here, use one of my makeup wipes.
No, it won't come off. Anything that touches my face is permanent.
What? Brianna, you're so funny. Want to come over to my slumber party tonight?
Sure, I'd love to.
What should we do now?
How about a pillow fight?
Ah!
Good night, everyone. I'm so tired. I'm going to bed.
Night. Sleep tight.
Good morning, guys. Why are you laughing?
Here, you need to look at yourself. You look so silly.
Do you know what you guys just did?